What up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com, Rayware Computers since 1996. Here to show you a new free application that I found. Some of you might know about it. Got my YouTube channel going. Got how to use WebStart series going up. Got 10 videos coming out for you. Gonna ask you to like and subscribe. Okay. Now, I found this company had this when I was actually trying to create a private label rights landing page. You know, it's funny, when we do this stuff online, we get what I call click happy. And we click all around and we got into this frenzy of this shiny object syndrome. Okay. Now, I'm no exception with all my experience and my knowledge. I go crazy sometimes, you know, clicking all over the place. But this is add this, okay? And it's got these great tools. Got a share button, follow button, list building button, okay, link promotion. Got a tip jar and related post. Okay, see this here? This is what they do right here. Okay, so now it's all for free. I'm not an affiliate. Okay, but this old DOS Geek is here to help you with your affiliate websites and to get them to be the best that they can be. Hey, and if it's for free, it's for me, right? That's how we talk. That's how we do it. Okay, so just to give you an example of this stuff, okay, I got my blog here. I tested it out. Now this is a free website from WebStarts, the ultimate drag and drop site builder. Okay, you gotta watch my videos on this. WebStarts is just the shit nizzle, man. It's unbelievable. Okay, even with the free site, you could do all this. Okay, even with the free site, you could do all this. Now, here it is. Add this, put this here, and I could easily share this on my Facebook page. Okay, I could pick it on a page that I manage, just like the normal. Okay. So, with that, of course, and this is theirs, and this is their little advertisement that they put there, which you can disable. Okay, now you see this here? They put this here too. Boom. Landing page. Boom. This will go right to my Facebook page. Now in this video, I'm not going to show you how to use it yet. I just discovered it. Literally just discovered it when I got up at 3 o'clock in the morning and I couldn't sleep. I said, let me go work on this private label rights page. Okay, now I already put some YouTube. This is kind of redundant. But again, this is my test blog here that I created for teaching. Okay, and this is all private label rights copy in here. Okay, this is WebStarts. Get a free website with WebStarts, the ultimate drag and drop. I'm telling you, it's phenomenal. Okay, this will go right to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to ask if you want to like and subscribe. Okay, is that a beautiful thing? Now, this is the dashboard. Now, this here, okay, what you could do, I mean, it's just so easy. Okay, this here is this right here. Okay, it's that right there. Oh, look, you can make it go away. How about that? I would imagine if that was on a white background, it would have been, you'd be able to see that better. Okay, now what this is right here. Okay, boom, and I can add more. I mean, it's just freaking phenomenal. All right, and I didn't see at the time, I didn't see YouTube in there. So I just did a search for it. Okay. All right, now, you affiliate newbies, especially you affiliate marketers, ever see these gurus? They tell you that, you can get sales for free and you can market your product for free by going to blogs and different places like that. Okay. Well, where do you go? Okay. Right here to all these places. Okay. If you want to do your own backlinking, this is where you can do it. Alright, you would just take this stuff I never even heard of before. Scoop it. What's Scoop it? See what Scoop it is. Okay. So you can learn from everywhere. Okay. You learn from everywhere. Look at this. So this is a content publishing platform. Sign up for free. Usually when it says sign up for free, it means you got to pay. But let's see what it's... Alright, pricing. Let's see if they got a free... Yeah, they do. Look at that. Because everybody puts this so light all the time. My old Geek guys can't see that. Browser extensions, free scope. Okay, so you can get a free account, which means you can backlink with it. Okay. Website, blogs, knowledge sharing, social media. Alright, and then what you do is just Google it, see what's going on, and then YouTube it. See who's on YouTube making videos about it. So this is where you can get ideas from all your social sites that are out there. There's thousands of them, literally thousands of them. Okay. So now, I did this in minutes. I learned it in minutes. This had a bunch of other ones, the default one. Okay, look. I wrote that in there. Okay. It's so easy to use. It's disgusting how easy this was used to use. Okay, see where it says click me? Check me out, rather. Check me out. Background color. Okay. I made it black too. Now watch this. Let's make it white. Save tool. Update it. Spot am. Okay. Is that a beautiful thing? Addthis.com. Addthis.com. Phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Okay. I like it black. I'm going to update it. And again, I just learned how to use this, literally, within the past half a day that it is now. Okay? Did I save it? It's probably cashing in. Black. Alright, now I don't know if you remember my teachings, what to do when your site is cashing in. You hit F12. Okay, disable cache, refresh. Okay, let's see if it worked. Bottom. Okay. So there's so many things that you could do with this. I just want to show you these tools, okay? What they look like, how they do it. Okay, let's see. Add a new tool. Share buttons, you saw that. Okay. You can have it floating on the side, which kind of annoys me. You can have it there. Oh, by the way, I did one of those too. It is on the home page. You can pick and choose where you want it. Okay. And if, where it's seen on each page. Expanding. Let's see this one. Look at that. That's a beautiful thing. I like that. That's kind of sexy. Okay, you can add your own images with it. Haven't done any of this yet. This, I love pop-ups. It's so old school, but it's great. If you've ever seen some of those affiliate sites with the pop-ups, it's just phenomenal. Okay, you got your banner bar there. Okay. And you got your slider. That pops up. So that's one. Add a new tool. List building. This I absolutely love. Okay, I'm going to do a special video just on this one. Okay, actually, I think I'll break it down and I'll do a video on every one of them. Alright, because I want you guys to succeed. Look at that. Add a new tool. This I love. Okay. You can do it as a banner. Okay. Do it as a slide up. Okay. Now you can actually use for one of those survey things. And put that on a blank page. That'll be the only thing that comes up. Okay. Unbelievable stuff. Now, related posts, you got a blog going on. It'll show you. Recommended for you. Let's see how this goes. Do the rows and everything. The target. Hide these devices. You don't want to hide any devices. Right here. Alright, first slot, which is here. That's a beautiful thing. That is a beautiful thing. You got total control over this. Okay. Follow buttons, I showed you, right? Showed you these follow buttons. This was fun making this, I tell you. Oh, look, you got them over there, too. I didn't even know you could do that. Alright. Now, you do got to do some HTML coding on this. Which, you know, with me, I'm going to show you how to do it all. Okay. This I like. Okay. They got a payment service here. Alright, they call it the tip jar. That I love. That I absolutely love. Okay. And you could link your, you know, like when you do the list building. Okay, let's do it like this. Okay, you could either download it to a CSV file, or you can link it, and we're favored at Aweber, to your Aweber account, or whoever you got. Any of these guys. You know? Oh, look, Mad Mommy. I love it. Listen, add this tools, add this .com. Listen to this old DOS Geek. If it's for free, it's for me. Okay? This is an essential tool in anything that you're doing. Okay? And it's all totally free. Like I said, I'm not an affiliate to it because it doesn't have an affiliate thing. It's free. Okay? Don't ask me how they make their money. I haven't even looked into it. Okay? Add this tools. Add this .com. You got to check it out. Okay? This is the old DOS Geek. This is Ray. From Rayware Computers since 1996. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe because that's what they tell me to do. Okay? You go to rwcweb.com. You put your email in this box, and I shall send you oodles and oodles of great stuff to make your affiliate websites do their best.